Yes, hello, it's everybody's favorite time of the day once again. Welcome to Satoshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's day is Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, the year BSV comes alive. Branch your threads, expand your mind with treechat.ai. All your posts put on chain. Right, let's just get straight into it.
Greg says he's Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. Just wait for the tether node, you'll surely see.
Alrighty, rock and roll. Right, big numbers coming in today, even though the rest of the numbers are actually down. I'm just away at the moment, so I just got a different screen. But let's check this out. So we've got the price here on CoinDarts recorded at $44. $44. Like, what has happened? That was literally what we were looking at $30 yesterday, and then $26 on the Wednesday during the week. So it's gone from $26 to $44. In just a few days, just a couple of days even. It feels like. Yeah, maybe it was Tuesday I looked at it. Good grief. So just a few days. What is going on? We'll see what's going on in the figures. Hash rate is still 0.4. So again, the fundamental figures aren't there, but it looks like speculation is kicking in. Speculation is kicking in. $44 up from 26. Network nodes just 0.18. Look, transactions down, but block sizes are back up. Oh, do we get to see these block sizes? Come on, just expand the screen just a little bit. Oh, yes, you beauty. There we are. Haven't actually got any big blocks coming in. 18 megabytes. Oh, 197. 163. 93, 88. Yeah, not bad. Well, I mean, not big compared to what we used to, but, nothing exceptional that would explain the jump in the price that we're witnessing right now. Yeah, I mean, hash rate, proof of work and all that. Bring that down. There we go. It's 76,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Grapecoin. Whoa, look at the profitability though. This is crazy. Look at this. It's only 0.2% more profitable to mine on Grapecoin when we're used to looking at figures in the sort of 30s, 50s, 70%. Now it's just 0.2. It's under 1%. Under 1%. It just goes to show you the price really doesn't have to move very far at all to bring that profitability right down. And then the miners start going, oh, hold on a minute, might start looking at that. Again, neck and neck with B Crash, but still 21.1% more profitable to mine on Fisher Price Cash over Grapecoin. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, yeah, nothing to write home about yet. Transactions gone down, transactions per block, that's gone down. Fees USD though, so look, don't know what's going on there. Maybe just a cent, maybe. Be interesting to see what that looks like tomorrow. Fees Satoshis again, like right down there on the log curve. Daily Bitcoin fee to block reward ratio. Everybody knows what the other chart looks like. I'll have to bring that up when I get back. The only chart you ever really need, but it's always fun to look at the fundamental figures. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. As Satoshi Nakamoto said, it is strictly necessary that the longest chain is always considered the valid one. And that's the one in red right there that we're looking at. That is Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the pie charts then, because this is where the politics is. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. It looks a bit different. It's F2 pool switching with via BTC. Grapecoin hash rate, other miners, 8.3 on there, managing the profitability. B Crash, other miners, 56.9 on there. Fisher Price Cash, who cares? Bitcoin, again, CoinDart's not really reporting the figures, so we'll close that one. Let's have a look at the hash rate. So Bitcoin, yeah, just, solid as you like there. Maybe you might be expecting the hash rate to go up a little bit, but the miners fixated on the coins. Have they made their bed and they just want to lie in it? That could be what we're witnessing there. Yeah, I mean, transactions right down, right down. Look at this. Yeah, I could just. I wonder if we can see the. Do they have the 24-hour? I'll have to see if I can find it again. Not on my usual desktop. See all stats. 24-hour sets. So just 54,000. 54,000 transactions. I mean, that's not many at all, considering we've just done, said what, 53 million transactions in 24 hours. Now we're down to 54,000. That's crazy. So again, that's not causing the price to do whatever it's doing, is it? So have a look at the short ratio on Coin. All right, there we go. 0.2. So again, I mean, look, misguided confidence. But I mean, that's one of the fundamental figures that will really be eroded quite quickly. Crypto quant. Exchanges will still be cashing out like crazy. Let's have a look. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, like straight down. Straight. They know. They've got to know something. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is nuts. They definitely know something. That is crazy. That is crazy. Right, let's see what's going on then. Check the tether weather. Oh, look at that. They can't resist it, can they? Cannot resist it. We've gone 145.7. I was under 300 million just gone in today. 300 million. Look, they've been buying furiously. That would probably explain why they pumped the market. Look at that, 300 million. 7 days. Look, they can't resist it, can they? 144.3 to 146. So 1.3 billion. 1.3 billion in a week. You wonder where the shitcoin market gets its market cap from. Look at this. So it's still going. Look, green candles all the way here. All the way here. $46.28. Oh, yeah, posting more greens. 15 minutes. Let's have a look at 5 minutes. Oh, still trending up. Is that like a 24-hour high that we're looking at there? Let's have a look at that against the big dog here. Can we see it? Let's have a look. And look, Bitcoin versus Coin. Here we go. Come on. Yeah, look at that. Bitcoin versus Coin. Still up. It's very unusual. $45.70 on Orange Gateway. Oh, it's registering 47. It's going up again. So this is a 24-hour high, 24-hour rate, up 51%. 51% in 24 hours. Like, whoa. 24-hour change. Look, 51.15. This is crazy. Yeah, rallying again, a 24-hour high. Can't believe it. 51% in 24 hours. I mean, so I've actually got another chart here which we'll look at in just a second. Look, this is the top crypto gainers and losers on CoinGecko, which I was looking at. And look at this. So you've got these shit coins like literally registered down at the 900s. 900s, 906, 818, 943. But then all of a sudden you've got a top 100 coin here, joining these that are down in the thousands. And look at that, 51%. I mean, Dragon Coin, all this crap. They just simply use these other coins to cover up the fact that this is the biggest mover in the top 100. They know what's coming. They're literally covering up with shitcoins. If you have a shitcoin with a market cap of literally like, a few 100,000 or a few thousand, you can literally just pump it in the day. So whenever somebody looks at a chart like this, they're just like, oh, well, it's not the biggest mover. Maybe I better be invested in these shitcoins. That's what they're doing. But I mean, look at that for a top 100 coin, 51% in a day, and still going up. still going up. Like, whoa. Let's just have a look at that compared to the rest of the market then. Let's see what this looks like. Let's have a look at coins here. Compare this to the weekly view here. 24 hours. Look, you've got all these shit coins here. Look at that. 200, 400. What's that? Baby Doge. Oh my god. Like, honestly, absolute shite. All these pieces of shite. The only purpose they serve is to distract people away from Bitcoin. So that whenever newbies come in, they're just like, oh, yeah, I would have been better if only I'd put it in this shitcoin. If only I'd put it in that shitcoin. That's what this is all about. Oh, we're getting there though. Oh. Oh, there it is. There it is. 50% a day. I mean, look at that. See, look, that is the only curve. You can tell these are shitcoins by the weekly graphs here, really. You know, they've got lots of flat lines and tabletops and all that kind of crap. Look at that, straight up. They're just trying to cover it. Just trying to cover it. BSV is the only one with the right history here. Newbies won't know that it actually goes right back to the Genesis block, so it's been going since 2009. They'll be thinking 15th of November 2018. Yeah, but even 2018, you know, we're talking 7 years now. 7 years of history compared to these other shit coins that have been going like 5 minutes. You know, on the equivalent, really. I can't believe it's been that long. 7 years. That's crazy. That's crazy. But something is up. Something is up. Look, the cabal will be like pumping these shit coins going, oh, what's going on? What's going on? The fascinating stuff. Like, absolutely fascinating. The fact that it's still going. It's still going. Here we go. Where is this bad? There we go. Come on. Let's have a look. I wonder what's going on with the exchanges. $45.75. 24 hour 46. Well, I wonder if this, should we just refresh that? See if that says 47. I wonder if that's like across the board. Whoa, that chart looks like it's all over the place. Literally all over the place. Don't really want it on our curve now. Here we go. So volume. OKX taking the lead. Okay, it's taking the lead. And Gate.io in second. Huobi in fourth by the looks of it. XT, then MEXC. This is really going to set the cat amongst the pigeon with the exchanges. Because, you know, there's people reporting on it because there are people like monitor it like a hawk. You've got a coin that's got 7 years worth of history, suddenly posting 50% gains. Yeah, it's not like some magic shitcoin that just came out of nowhere, pumped like 1,000% or whatever. You know, this could be significant, and they know it. I wonder if any of the shitcoin traders are going to start. And could it be the BlackRock traders? Can you imagine if a BlackRock trader suddenly found out what we know, and suddenly they realize that they're sitting on the trade of the millennium? Literally, the trade of the millennium is what it is. The trade of literally one of the biggest trades in history. Literally one of the biggest trades, certainly in modern day financial history. Potentially, like, whoa! I mean, can you imagine? And it's still, even at $45, they'd be like, hold on a minute, genuine Bitcoin. Whoa, what's this? You know, 1 million transactions per second coming on Terranode. I mean, imagine, they don't want to be, buying too crazy, but they want to get in there before everybody else, obviously. And if they're trading on behalf of customers, whatever, and they're just like, right, we need to get in, don't want to spook the market too much, but we still need to get in. They can't do it. They can't do it. Look at that 24-hour trade volume, 13.2%. Volume's gone up to 119 million. So still 119 million 24-hour trade volume. 119 million is nothing. I mean, that could just be from one trader. Seriously, that could just be from one trader. Yeah, one big whale trader, institutional trader, goes, hold on a minute, let's just try and get the hell in there. I wonder what exchange they're doing it on. So it'll be OKX by the looks of it. Here, look, volume. So it looks like it's coming from OKX. Then Gate.io in second. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, I wish I could look more. I could look at more of this. Oh, right, but yeah, we'll leave it there because I'm just doing this on the fly. So I hope you enjoyed it. So as ever, if you enjoyed these updates, please ding all donations for your appreciation to either Satoshi@zenby.com, Handcash.io, Rockwallet.me, Simply.cash, Relasia.com, or Senti.ch. We'll leave you there. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.
The king still has one more move.